Let's be real. Staying motivated every day feels impossible, right? You wake up with good intentions, but by afternoon, your energy is gone. You end up scrolling, procrastinating, or feeling stuck. But what if the real reason isn't about willpower, but daily mistakes you don't even notice?
Today, I'm breaking down 7 common habits, backed by science, that quietly destroy your motivation. And most people do at least 3 of these without realizing. Let's see if you're making them so you can break the cycle.
By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize your motivation killers, but you'll also get simple, science-based fixes for each one. Ready to get your drive back? Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, grabbing your phone the moment you wake up. Research shows morning phone use spikes stress hormones and distracts your mind with other people's agendas before your day even starts. Motivation tip? Try a 10-minute phone-free period in the morning. Hydrate, stretch, or plan your day before starting the scroll.
So many students make this mistake, setting huge, vague goals like, "I'll study all day." Science shows our brains feel overwhelmed and give up quickly when the goal is too big or unclear. Instead, break big goals into small, specific steps. Example, I'll study math for 30 minutes, then take a break.
Researchers at Harvard found that skipping breakfast or eating only sugary foods causes blood sugar crashes, making your energy and motivation nosedive by mid-morning. Start with some protein, fiber, or fruit. Even a quick snack makes a big difference. Researchers at Harvard found that skipping breakfast or eating only sugary foods causes blood sugar crashes, making your energy and motivation nosedive by mid-morning. Start with some protein, fiber, or fruit. Even a quick snack makes a big difference.
You might think multitasking helps you get more done, but nearly every neuroscience study says the opposite. Multitasking divides your focus, makes tasks take longer, and leaves you feeling mentally drained. Try single tasking, one thing at a time, for just 1 hour a day, and you'll notice your motivation improve.
Sitting all day is a motivation killer. Simple movement, even a short walk, boosts dopamine, the brain's motivation and reward chemical. Take a 5-minute stretch break every hour or go outside for fresh air. Your brain will thank you.
Talking down to yourself like, "I'll never get this," actually wires your brain for less motivation, according to psychology studies. When you notice negative thoughts, swap them for constructive ones. Instead of, "I'm so lazy," try, "I had a slow day, but I can restart now." The science is clear. Celebrating small progress triggers your brain's motivation systems. Most people only reward big accomplishments, so their motivation dries up. After finishing a chapter, making your bed, or sending an email, pause and say, "Nice job." These small celebrations add up.
Remember, everyone falls into these habits sometimes. Don't beat yourself up. The key isn't to be perfect, but to notice what's holding you back and choose one thing to fix. Let's recap the 7 motivation killers. Checking your phone first thing, setting unrealistic goals, skipping breakfast, multitasking, not moving, negative self-talk, ignoring small wins. Swap just one of these for a science-backed habit and watch your motivation grow. Which mistakes surprised you the most? Comment below. Try fixing one this week and share your results. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed habits to boost your focus, motivation, and grades. Remember, motivation isn't magic, it's momentum. Small steps every day lead to big changes. Thanks for watching Smarter Habits. See you next time.